All right, today is Tuesday, and that makes today Tip Tuesday. I'm Lorraine Brock with Get Organized, and I'm the owner of Get Organized, bringing you a tip on Tuesday each week about something that you can do better, or even a product like we're going to have today for your home, business, and life. So let's get started. All right, so you guys have probably heard about command hooks, and I was recently wanting to sort of see all their new products, all the lines that they have, and all the creative solutions that are out there now. This changes from time to time. And I have found 2 this week I'm going to share, and then 2 next week that I'm going to share. So let's get started. All right, this command, and it's not really even a hook, it's a shelf. But this command is little bitty 3x4 shelves that you could actually mount on a wall with a command strip. Now, if you know anything about command hooks, they make them waterproof. They make them for hanging pictures, just hanging keys. It's amazing what they make. But I had never saw something like this. So you could do a group or collection of these for something you want to display on your wall. Now, also about these, you have to, whatever command hook you put on, you have to let them stay on that surface for an hour before you put any pressure or anything on them. So be aware of that. Read your directions well. Don't assume, follow them, because you don't want anything to fall off the wall. But there's actually 2 of these in here, and I think I also saw white shelves as well. So there's another example of what it could look like on a display on a wall, which I love, right? Organized, and it looks good. All right, the next one, which is a more organizational solution, it will help maximize your space. This one is a holds 7.5 pounds, and it is a basket that will hold any kind of cleaning products, hair products. You would put it underneath your sinks and actually hang it on the door there. Again, these command hooks come inside of the package, and you have to let them stay on an hour before you actually put anything in it. But this one is 7.5 pounds compared to this one is 2 pounds per shelf. 2 pounds per shelf on that one. So again, here, dish soap, sponges, anything that you want to put. I would think this would be great underneath the sink. Instead of keeping those scrubbing SOS pads and all the sponges and the little brushes out in the sink, you can actually hide it and still get to it really easy and not have to damage any kind of your cabinets by screwing anything into the wood. So I love these 2 command products, and I am going to bring 2 more products next week on Tip Tuesday. All right, so if you were tuned in the last Tip Tuesday we had, I was giving away this wonderful thermos and even something really cool underneath here. It has a hidden compartment underneath here. You can store cash or keys. Really cool. I love it. It's obviously a very soft pink. We are giving this away, and actually already picked a winner from the last time. Someone left some comments and they shared our post, and the winner is going to be Kristen Mormon of McKinney. Congratulations, Kristen. And we will message you and get your address and send this to you in the mail, and have many great drinks and hopefully help you not lose things, right? All right, well, this is Tip Tuesday. I am Lorraine Brock, and I look forward to sharing 2 more great command products with you next week on Tip Tuesday. Bye for now.